The Waterdrop WD-CTF-01 Faucet Filter offers an impressive 5-stage filtration system that effectively reduces chlorine and heavy metals, ensuring you enjoy safe, fresh, and great-tasting water. Constructed from 304 food-grade stainless steel, it features a brushed, fingerprint-resistant finish that is both BPA-free and ensures every sip is clean and healthy. With a capacity of 8,000 gallons, this filter provides up to 12 months of service, delivering a strong flow rate of up to 1.6 gallons per minute. The Waterdrop WD-CTF-01 is designed for easy installation, requiring no professional help, making it perfect for homes, rental apartments, and RVs. This filter enriches your water with beneficial minerals like calcium and magnesium, enhancing the overall quality and taste of your drinking water. Thanks to its compatibility with standard faucets, you can easily switch between tap and filtered water with a simple twist of the switch.